Closing arguments will begin when court resumes this morning in the Dan Markel Murder Trial. For more than 4 hours Wednesday, Catherine McBenoit took the stand in her own defense. She's facing life in prison, but according to her testimony, she's innocent and points the finger at Markel's ex-brother-in-law. ABC 27's Jada Williams has more.
Catherine McBenoit testified in court Wednesday that she didn't know anything about Dan Markel's death, but she did say that she had some suspicions.
Do you think Charlie was involved in this?
Yes.
Do you think Charlie was lying to you?
Yes.
Charlie Adelson is Dan Markel's ex-brother-in-law and McBenoit's ex-boyfriend.
Were you in a sexual relationship with Mr. Adelson?
Yes, ma'am.
But you were not exclusive with him?
No, ma'am.
McBenoit talked about those secretly recorded calls between her and Charlie Adelson and why she never called the cops when she thought someone was blackmailing them.
What am I going to call the police and say, I have a friend that's getting threatened? I have a friend's mom that's getting threatened and might have said my name. They're going to think I'm crazy.
And she talked about her other ex, the one that fathered her children.
Were you aware that Mr. Garcia was selling cocaine?
No, ma'am.
He would show up on occasion and just give you cash?
Yes, ma'am.
Why would you take it without asking where it came from?
It's for my kids.
Yet the state is arguing that McBenoit is involved and is still protecting the Adelson family. McBenoit says that simply is not the case.
Could they pay you any amount of money to keep you away from your children?
Never.
Why won't you just lie and tell them that Charlie was a part of this?
I wish I could, because I wouldn't be incarcerated and I'd be free and I'd be with my children.
And why haven't you done that?
Because I'm telling the truth.
Here's another takeaway from yesterday outside of the courtroom. Dan Markel would have turned 47. It was also an important Jewish holiday. Markel was Jewish and came from a religious family. His sister told me that she felt conflicted all day. In studio, Jada Williams, WTXL, ABC 27.